In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Weebly to make a website. We'll be walking through every part of the process, making sure you feel confident and ready to create your very own site. Whether you're building a personal blog, a professional portfolio, or an online store, Weebly offers an intuitive way to bring your ideas to life. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Weebly's website. Simply type in weebly.com to begin your journey. You will be greeted by the homepage of Weebly, which is your gateway to website creation. On the homepage, you'll spot the Sign Up button. Clicking this will take you to a registration page where you can create an account to begin building your site. Here, you'll need to enter some basic information such as your name and email address. Once you've filled in your information, there's an I agree box that you'll need to tick. This is a standard agreement to Weebly's terms and conditions. After you've completed this step, click on the Continue button to move forward with your registration. Now that you've signed up, you'll be guided to the next stage, selecting your website choice. Weebly offers a variety of templates suited to different purposes, whether it's for creating an artistic portfolio, a business site, or an online store. Browse through the choices and select the one that aligns with your vision. With a theme selected, you're ready to customize it to match your style. Click on Start Editing to begin tailoring the design. Weebly's drag and drop interface makes it easy to add text, images, and other elements to your website, allowing you to create a look that's uniquely yours. Next up is choosing a domain for your site. Weebly offers options to either type in a new domain you'd like to use or to connect an existing domain if you have one. If you're starting fresh, you can type the domain you wish to have and check its availability. Alternatively, if you already own a domain, you can choose to connect or transfer it to Weebly by typing it in and clicking on the option to connect your domain. Finally, once your domain is set up, consider subscribing to a Weebly plan that suits your needs. Different plans come with various features and advantages, so take some time to compare what's offered and pick the best option for your project goals. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have a fully functioning website ready to share with the world. Thank you for joining me today in creating a website with Weebly. With these tools at your disposal, the online world